What's up guys, Omar here and welcome to my review of the Torchiere floor lamp. I was in the market for a floor lamp because as you can see, for whatever reason there are no light fixtures on the other end of this apartment. And now that I think about it, in most apartments in Northern Virginia. Why is that? Regardless, I wasn't looking to spend a ton of cash. I got this one for $60 and at the time there was a $10 coupon as well. It's rated at 2400 lumens, which is great for a floor lamp. And it would probably just light up the entire room if it's accurate. On top of that, it's a LED lamp, and LEDs are traditionally a lot softer, so you wouldn't get like one hard light spot and then kind of like a weird uneven spread. So we're gonna put this together, and check it out and see if it's worth your money. All right, here it comes. So here, opening it up right now, let's see what it comes with. A protective sheet of cardboard. This must be the pole with all the wiring going through it. Actually, this looks like it might be a really easy assembly. It's already threaded through, which is great news because it's like 10 p.m. right now and I don't feel like whipping out any tools. And here's the base. And that's it. Oh, this is gonna be easy. Okay. Instruction manual, I'm pretty sure it's straightforward, but let me take a quick look. This is actually pretty cool, I didn't know this. According to the manual, this thing actually tilts too, which would be pretty useful considering where I'm gonna put it. It'll be in a corner, so I can have it shine into the rest of the room. Yeah, assembly is pretty straightforward. Just screw everything together, plug it in, and turn it on, or you can use the remote. Let's try it out. Alrighty, won't need this anymore. So here is the base plate. Here's the remote. It's in the same container as the AC battery, and it actually comes with a battery. A really weird battery. 23 amp 12 volt. I'm sure you can get replacements on Amazon. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. It already works. So let's just set this aside for now. Here's the AC adapter. And it looks like you can just unplug. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Unplug this, undo the wires. This isn't really, not really commentary on the product, but I feel like there's too much unnecessary plastic. Just, you know, there's no reason for it. The rest is, oh, this is the adjustable top half. I thought this was the bottom. Okay, so we're going to screw it all together. Just make sure that you're not pinching any of the wires that are hanging out there. Otherwise, when you plug it in, it is going to be no good. And it's actually really flush. That's good. That's good. I worry sometimes about the lower price points if the products are just going to have like a really weird fit. But this looks really good. Also, the build quality is very good. No scuffs in shipping, no scratches on this. Which, I mean, it's super easy. On something that's black especially, it's really easy to see those scratches. It's some kind of a matte anodized material that it's covered with. Whatever this paint is, it works. Now this thing also has 3 different color temperature settings, 3000, 4000, and 5000 Kelvin. So you can have a pretty cool light and a very warm one. Warm one, easier on the eyes, so I'd probably keep this around 3000 Kelvin while I'm working. And when I'm shooting video like this though, I'll take it up to 5000 Kelvin. The lights that are lighting me now are 5500 daylight lights, but to have an accent light or something in the background that's close, it's good enough. All right, now comes time for the assembly. Okay, that is nice and secure. I'm gonna plug in the AC adapter on this end piece here. All right. And now to go plug it in and see just how bright this is. All right, it's set up, and I apologize for the pun ahead of time, but let there be light. And look at that. That is amazing. I almost wish I got two, but this is definitely bright enough. And you can control how bright you want it as well. It dims down to 5% and up to 100% power. And like I said, you have 3 different color temperatures. That's 5000 K. That's 3000 right there. It's a lot easier on the eyes. It's like night mode on your phone. 4000 is a nice in-between. And then 5000, if you're recording video, this is definitely what you're going to want to leave it on. That's pretty much it for this product review. Quick assembly, relatively inexpensive, very bright. Plus it's an LED, so it's going to last for a long time. I say it's worth the money. Once again, I'm Omar, and thanks for stopping by. I'll do another product review the next time I impulse buy something off Amazon.